Well, I just want to try to help some guys out here. I don't know if it. I'm no mechanic, okay? Just been doing this a long time. This pertains to Ford trucks, mainly cars, Broncos, stuff like that. Now, most guys, this is a spout, or that's what they call it. Anyways, it has to do with the timing. You pull this, and your timing will be set at whatever the factory sets it at, 10 degrees. And it'll just stay there. It won't advance or anything. And this pertains to vehicles that are bucking, carrying on, just don't run right. And you pull this, and all of a sudden the thing just runs. Goes down the road fine. Doesn't have the power, doesn't have the gas mileage, but it just stays at constant 10 degrees. Or wherever it's set at from the factory. So if you pull that, a lot of your problems will go away, but that's not the cause of the problem. This is doing its job. Cause of the problem a lot of times is the infamous gray. I don't have a black one to show you, but they make a gray and a black ignition module. Chances are you might have the wrong ignition module in. That will cause it to run like bad. I kind of gotta watch my language here because little kids. But that could be your problem right here. This piece right here. It unscrews. A couple little screws, and you put your dielectric grease, on the back side, in between here, you smear it on the back side of that, put it down, and I'd check because there's a lot of guys, that they go into your automotive shop, place that sells parts, and a lot of these kids, they don't know. Here, this will work. And they hand it to you, and you go and okay. You plug her in. It's gray instead of black, or black instead of gray. You plug it in, it runs like garbage. That's why it's the wrong one. And that's why when you pull this, it bypasses advancing and everything else. It just runs at a set timing. I don't know if I'm explaining it very well or not, but if you pull the spout and the thing runs better, doesn't have the guts it used to have, but it runs all right. I would check this. That's what I would do. So, with that being said, I just wanted to get on here and maybe help somebody out that's been scratching their head for a while, going, man, I can't figure this out. So, that's two things right there. The spout might send you to this. So, y'all have a good one, and if it helps you out, man, great. I hope it does.